Outdoor security cameras offer an environmentally conscious, cost-effective, and reliable solution for outdoor surveillance and security needs. Eufy, a well-known brand in this security space, has introduced its latest addition, the SoloCam S340, to the lineup. We've been using this camera for quite a few days now, and in this video, we're sharing our experience to help you decide whether to purchase the Eufy SoloCam S340 or not. Inside the box, we got the SoloCam S340 itself, a removable solar panel, one solar panel mount and camera mount, a 3-meter-long USB-C charging cable, screws, and other necessary accessories. If you want to learn more about the SoloCam, there's a quick start guide too. The overall packaging was nice, and Eufy didn't hold back from providing anything essential. That's a plus point. Outdoor cameras need to be rugged because they encounter tough outdoor conditions like bad weather, potential damage, dirt, extreme temperatures, and wetness. This is where Eufy S340 excels. The hands-on feel was pretty solid, and at the front, there's the dual camera setup. Along with the cameras, a motion-activated spotlight is also present. It's a 100 lumen spotlight, which you may find comparatively lesser than other outdoor security cameras. But trust us, it was more than enough to light up the whole premise. We'll discuss more about the dual cameras and other features later in this video. Now, on the top of the S340, there's an option to attach the removable solar panel. This panel is a high-efficiency one. Eufy claims that it can provide all-day power with just 2 hours of solar energy. This solar architecture also lets the camera charge even when obstructed by almost 50%. It's also weatherproof, so you'll never have to worry about the charge or the maintenance, both. Installation of the S340 was very easy too. As it came with all the accessories already, we just had to mount the solar panel and then mount the camera in our desired place. When you place your camera, try to keep it somewhere where sunlight is directly visible. That way, you won't have to worry about continuous power supply. This camera can be mounted on the ceiling or side walls. If you're choosing the ceiling mount, you'll have to attach the solar panel to the ideal position. You can use the included cable to cover the distance. The whole process of mounting is hassle-free, and we found it very thoughtful of Eufy to design the camera conveniently. You can mount it on any wall, backyard, or driveway without any issue. To get things started, we had to connect the S340 with our Wi-Fi. Homebase 3 supposedly gives a stronger network connection, and you'll need to purchase that additionally. But regular Wi-Fi also gets the job done with ease. To control or adjust everything, you'll need the Eufy app. After installing the app, we could control the pan, tilt, AI features, etc. The app also provided us the ability to configure up to 4 preset positions for easily changing camera angles. The camera could also smoothly return to its default position with just a single press, which ensured uninterrupted monitoring of our place with more flexibility. It's necessary to keep the camera's firmware up to date, so you can get a smoother experience. Let's discuss the dual camera now. SoloCam S340 features a dual camera setup, a 3K wide lens with an aperture of f1.6 and one 2K telelens of the same aperture. The wide one has an impressive field of view of 135 degrees, which is very useful for covering a large portion of the area. This camera can pan or tilt 360 degrees horizontally and up to 70 degrees vertically. We've been using this camera for a while now, and we were genuinely impressed by its ability to capture high-detail footage up to a range of 15 meters or 50 feet. This is possible because of the 3x optical and hybrid 8x zoom, which really complement the already high-res footage quality. Being a security camera, night vision is present here, but the color and infrared night vision really captured more light and showed precise details, thanks to its f1.6 aperture. Things were visible up to 8 meters easily, with enough details. The 100 lumen spotlight also made it easier to detect any movement at night. During our testing, we were satisfied with the overall quality of the camera. Now, apart from these, there's another significant feature included in this S340, the Bionic Mind AI recognition. This camera has the ability to learn automatically. It can learn familiar faces and detect multi-objects. According to Eufy, recognition is almost 98% accurate, and false alert is also reduced by up to 95% because of this extremely efficient AI algorithm. During our testing, this feature worked perfectly. Once the target was detected, Eufy kept tracking, as long as the target remained within the area. If there was no motion detected for 5 seconds, the camera smoothly went back to its default position. Even if we weren't actively watching the feed, it kept data recorded, so we could easily check the activities later. These recordings are stored in the built-in 8 GB storage, which can store data for up to 4 months. Many other security cameras offer cloud storage service, which requires additional charges monthly. Eufy S340 stands out in this area, and the smart integration of Alexa or Homebase 3 can really keep your outdoor security always on track. As we discussed earlier, this Eufy S340 uses optimized solar charging. It can power itself whenever it has access to sunlight. It comes with 10,000 mAh, and per day, this camera needs 100 to 200 mAh power to operate, so it can reserve almost 3 months of power once fully charged. This feature alone sets the Eufy S340 apart from the competition. With its outstanding footage quality, cable-free flexibility, and remarkable AI detection capabilities, the Eufy SoloCam S340 lives up to its claim of being a genuinely reliable security camera. It also excels in other essentials, offering easy installation, high-quality video in full color at night, and the added benefit of not needing frequent charging thanks to its solar panel when properly positioned. At the $200 price point, Eufy S340 will give you everything you want from an outdoor security camera. Thanks for watching.